Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to unsave pins on Pinterest. So the first steps, I'm going to save this on here just for this tutorial. So as you can see, now it's saved. And now if I want to unsave this pin, what I'm going to have to do is simply go to my profile and you can see here saved. So you have two different options. So you have created, those that are created by you, and then you have saved. And basically what you're gonna have to do is simply click on it, and then basically, so I'm gonna click on this. So as you can see, you're gonna have to click on this pen icon and then simply click on delete, and then simply click on delete, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.